Hey guys, Spencer from Buildapreneur here, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 affiliate programs that I can pretty much guarantee you've never heard of. And the reason I'm making this video, okay, is that most people in my audience, most people that watch my videos, they are big promoters of ClickFunnels, they're a promoter of like Bluehosts and ActiveCampaign and email autoresponders and things like that. But they don't realize that they do realize, but they don't promote a lot of the other products that are out there that no one else knows about. Okay, so if you're a ClickFunnels promoter, you're competing with probably literally hundreds of thousands of other people trying to promote that product, right? So you've either got to go really niche and find an angle that no one else is taking, which is hard to do, or you've got to have a really powerful website or powerful YouTube channel that can own one of those top few slots for keywords like ClickFunnels. Now, if you can find other products that are just as valuable and just as important to a business, but 1/10 as competitive as ClickFunnels or Bluehost or some of those, you can start making commissions a lot faster and use that to fund the business growth for your affiliate marketing business much faster. And so I always say have a few products on the side that are much less known than anybody else, and you'll be able to really take like ownership of that affiliate product and start getting commissions much faster than if you're in the same pond as every other affiliate out there right now. So the first one, when I hop on my screen here, it's called M1 Finance. Okay, and a couple things that I really like about it, and I'll be full disclosure up front. About half of these programs I do promote, and half of these programs I do not promote. I've just heard of other people promoting, or done a little digging and thought of promoting myself. So the cool thing about M1 Finance is it's kind of like basically a bank. Okay, so you set up a bank, and then you're able to do a lot of cool things like investments and borrow against your investments and things like that. Really good for virtually anybody, and because it's kind of like a bank, it doesn't actually cost money, right? So they have to set up an account and put in $1,000, but they're not paying $1,000; they're putting in $1,000, okay, of their own money, and it's sitting there available to them. But M1 still pays $100 for each account you refer that puts in that $1,000, okay? And then they can do all kinds of things with that money. They basically, I don't even know how to describe it, you'll have to look into it, but they basically create their own personal bank, and then they can do stuff like put that in investments and then lend them to themselves against investments and things like that. And like I said, we will get into it, but really cool and virtually useful to anybody that plans on to retire at some point in their existence. The second one is called the sixfigurementors.com. The reason I absolutely love these guys is because of the ability to make crazy high commissions. They have products ranging from in the low teens in terms of cost, all the way up to the like $20,000 range, okay? And so as an affiliate, you can make crazy commissions, sell a couple of those a year, and you're making a full-time income. They've got thousands of courses and things like that. They're basically a giant digital courses and mastermind and connection platform, and obviously the $20,000 product doesn't apply to everybody, but there are people buying this $20,000 product and getting value out of it, and you as the affiliate can make wild commissions by being the one to refer to this. Okay, so that's sixfigurementors.com. The one thing I really don't like about their affiliate program, and then there's a few programs that do this, and I kind of despise it, but it's they offer higher commissions to people that buy the highest end products. Okay, so if you buy their like $8,000 product, you end up making more commissions when you refer other people to their products. Kind of annoying. I don't really like that model, but you can sign up to be an affiliate for free and make like the base commissions at no cost. If you just want the higher level of commissions, that's when you buy the higher cost products. Next up, we've got kind of a different model, and that's one of the reasons I really like this one. It's Freshbooks, and if you're familiar with QuickBooks, Freshbooks is a QuickBooks competitor that is fresh. Basically, QuickBooks is kind of annoying and built for accountants, and Freshbooks is a little more built for people like me that don't understand accounting. But the cool thing about their affiliate program is, one, pretty much any online business needs something like this. Okay, they need QuickBooks or Freshbooks or something like that if they're bringing in any money. Otherwise, there's going to be some major issues come tax season. But the coolest thing is what you can see right here. I'm highlighting it here. Freshbooks pays an industry-leading $5 per free trial sign-up, plus $55 per paid subscription. Okay, $5 per free trial sign-up. Can you see what an awesome, like how much potential something like that has, especially if your audience is like business owners and new business owners. And you're saying, you send out an email and you're like, hey guys, you're probably just getting started, but I promise you're going to want to be tracking expenses within your first year, or you're going to run into issues as your business grows. And they're not, it's not crazy expensive to get access to FreshBooks. They just know that once someone signs up, they tend to stay for a long time, and so that's why they do that. So Freshbooks, $5 per trial, $55 per paid. They are picky, like not anybody can be an affiliate for them, and the reason for that is they're paying $5 per trial, so they've got to be kind of picky for who they let sign up, or someone's going to sign up and run through 5,000 different fake profiles in order to make $5 per profile. And the second to last one that's kind of similar in the way their affiliate program runs to Freshbooks is called, this is one of those that I don't promote, it's called Nutcash. I think it's called Nutcash. Anyway, what Nutcash is it's like Trello, if you're familiar with Trello. It's project management software, but similar to Freshbooks, Nutcash offers $2 per lead. Okay, so all you've got to do is tell someone like, hey, you've got to be using some kind of project management. I recommend Nutcash, and they go over and they sign up for Nutcash for a free trial, and you can make $2 per trial. Okay, so obviously it's not high ticket, but it's such an easy barrier to entry, right? That if you have the right audience, there's potential for tons of money with Nutcash, doing reviews and anything like that, especially since it's not super competitive right now in search engines, YouTube and Google and things like that. Last up is one that I actually do use and promote and do fairly well with it. I really like this company. It's called Marketing Boost. And I know there are other people that follow my channel that promote that. Let me know down below if you're a Marketing Boost affiliate. So what Marketing Boost is, it used to be called Advertising Boost, but what they do is they give you the ability to give away free vacations to your clients, okay? So whether you're an affiliate marketer and you want to give away a free vacation package as a bonus, or you're you're like in the lead generation business and you want to be giving away vacation packages to people that sign up as leads or things like that, you can give away virtually unlimited vacation packages to people through Marketing Boost, and they end up just having to pay the taxes. Okay, so I don't know the whole math on the back end, how it works. I'm sure there are like upsells and things like that help them be profitable. But I looked at the free vacation, and I think it was like I bought a 3-day stay in a really nice Vegas hotel, and I just had to pay taxes of like $30 or $40 for the full 3 or 4 day stay. So really, really cool what they offer. Like they're kind of unique, and if you can offer training that involves Marketing Boost to your audience, so you can say, hey, look at how you can get more leads by using this program, right? By offering vacation incentives. Then there's a lot of potential there for these people to sign up. They also have a 2-tier affiliate program, so you can sign up for Marketing Boost, and then you get percentages when someone that signed up under you refers other people, okay? So if you click the link down below, that's my affiliate link. I would love if you signed up that way, but you don't have to. So if you can see here on Marketing Boost, I'm doing, I've made about $2,000 promoting it fairly passively over the last maybe month or two. Haven't even hit my whole audience with it, but just kind of like done some basic things, and it's totally free to sign up for. And I love that they have different packages, and I've got commissions as high as like $800 when people sign up for the highest package for like a full year access. I'll make an instant $800, which is awesome, guys. I talk a lot about how I like the potential to have high ticket offers when I promote low ticket offers, and Marketing Boost I can promote as just like a $37 a month offer, and then these, that my leads can go in and buy the full package, and I can make $800 after promoting a $30 a month offer. Now, if you are still watching, you're gonna want to watch another video. Sorry, I got you hooked. It's these affiliate marketing examples are some of my best examples of affiliate campaigns. I can promise you that if you're fairly new to the affiliate game, this video right here will change the way you think about affiliate marketing and introduce multiple different ways you've never thought about promoting different products. So affiliate marketing examples, go ahead and watch that. Click the link down below if you'd like to get access to my totally free step-by-step get started with affiliate marketing course, and we'll see you in the next video.